Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Ghost game with friends. To begin, gather at least 2 players. One person starts by saying the first letter of a word. The next player adds a letter, trying to build a word fragment without completing a real word. The game continues with players adding 1 letter at a time, aiming to trick their opponents into finishing a word. It's a fun way to test your vocabulary and quick thinking. The core of Ghost involves strategic letter adding. Every letter you add must be part of a legitimate word in progress. If you believe your opponent has added a letter that makes it impossible to form a real word, you can challenge them. They then have 10 seconds to declare a word that could be formed. If they cannot, or if their word is invalid, they lose the round. There are a few ways to lose a round in Ghost. The most common is completing a word that is at least 3 letters long. For example, if the fragment is GHOS and you add T, you've completed Ghost and you lose. Also, if you're challenged and cannot provide a valid word, you lose. Remember, proper nouns and abbreviations are not allowed. The game continues until only 1 player remains, who is declared the winner. Each time a player loses a round, they earn a letter from the word Ghost. Once a player collects all 5 letters, they are out of the game. For added fun, try variations like only allowing words from a specific category or implementing a 5-second time limit for each turn.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.